Alright, what is up, peeps? Happy Tuesday. How is everybody? Let me know in the comments. Now, before we start, there's a lot of people giving different predictions on when the market's going to top. I want all of you guys, number one, to like the video. Number two, to let me know when you think the market is going to top. What month? Leave me a month in the comment section right now, guys. But right now, Bitcoin is at 104k, and we're very, very close to a big inflection point, and that is going to be the golden cross occurring. We're about a day, maybe 2 days max, away from this golden cross, and right now nobody knows which direction the market is going to go immediately on the golden cross. But what we do know is that usually after these golden crosses, we do get an extended move to the upside. And you can see here the past 3 golden crosses led to a 70%, 125%, and a 67% move, all in the past 2 years. If this is a, say, half of the last move, about a 30 to 40% move, then that's going to bring us all the way to 145k. And is anybody ready for that? Well, I don't think so, guys. And one thing that we could expect is some sort of pullback into the golden cross. It happened here at the beginning of 2023. We got a slight pullback into the golden cross. It didn't happen mid to late 2023, and then again we got a slight pullback into the end of 2024. But on the shorter time frames, I mean, we could get this sort of slight pullback going to around the 200 MA. But again, it doesn't have to happen, because you can see before, historically, we have actually just gone into up only vertical season. But one thing we should all keep our eyes on is the fact that the stops are getting ran. They are running our stops left, right, and center, guys. The market has been extremely choppy over the past week, and you can see we've got liquidity again building up at around 105k. There was some building up at around 100k, depending on what time frame you use it. If you go all the way to the 24-hour time frame, then you can see here we have still got some liquidity to be catching just below at around 104k. Is that going to be where the pullback into the death cross is going to occur over the next coming days? It could be, but RIP to all the leverage traders. Now, I actually opened the leverage trade and I did get stopped out because we got the sweep monthly high, sweep low, sweep high again, sweep low, no sweep of this low. Right, we're chopping basically, guys. So it's going to be super hard for leverage traders in the market right now, because anybody who says, yeah, this is an easy chop to navigate is absolutely talking out of their arse, because it is not. And until we do get a confirmed direction in the market over the coming days and weeks, then probably best to stay out of leverage. But what we can do is we can simplify it. We can buy our spot bags and we can look at history. I mean, we're only going back over the past couple of months now, guys. But you can see here, ever since April, we've had big parabolic moves to the upside, chop for about a week, 2 weeks. Big parabolic move to the upside, chop for a few weeks. Big parabolic move to the upside, chop for a few weeks. Are we getting ready for a big parabolic move again to the upside coming into June? It would make sense, guys, and it would also make sense that on this next big parabolic move for Bitcoin, on this next breakout, if we do break the all-time highs, Ethereum is going to break a very key level of resistance at 2.5k, and we're going to be at 3k before you know it, guys. This is really like the last line in the sand for Ethereum, and again, many of you guys know when Ethereum returns bullish, it's going to be super bullish for a lot of our altcoins. Stablecoin Act passes, game on, crypto regulations out in August. Let's go. Bullish, because at least we get some clarity in a lot of our cryptos. However, also kind of not bullish, because the market may react a little bit negatively to the fact that we're going to be getting super regulated at the moment. A lot of people have different opinions on the regulations. Were we better before regulations? Are we better after? Personally, probably going to be better for adoption of our big cap coins and obviously our baby BTC. People are going to, say, bull run starts in August now. And I could be wrong, but I don't see it that way, guys. I mean, same with the inauguration. We saw the all-time high local top, right? Everybody thought that as soon as Trump goes into office, we're going to 200k. I think it's going to be the same thing for the Stablecoin Act passing. Usually we rally into these events, and when we do get there, okay, Stablecoin Act passes, it's not just going to be like billions inflow into the market overnight, guys. It's going to take time. It's going to take months and years, many years, probably, for these things to really start to get flowing. But I would be expecting a local top in August. So that would mean we've got 3 months left. Now, what we need to see Number one for our altcoins, because a lot of us are pretty much just altcoiners, really, let's be real, is a continued downtrend. We'd like this to be a lower high. I would love to see this red line here at around, what is it, 64%? Yep, 64% to be a massive level of resistance. Again, we drew this line. The 4-hour candles have been finding resistance here, and it looks like over the next coming days, we probably could get a pullback. Is it going to be a higher low, or are we going to sweep these lows? Again, if we can sweep these lows, and then Bitcoin does break out, has that bullish cross, this is going to be super alt season time, guys. And as many of you guys know, alt season really only lasts typically around 2 months. So that would make sense that coming into June, July, August, okay, maybe June, July, then that would be the last hurrah, super euphoria, stablecoin act gets passed. And right now it just looks like Bitcoin wants to range here between 100k and 106k for the next few days, and that would be absolutely fine with me. Again, we've got the 100 MA on the 4 hourly at around 101k. If we go to the daily, then it's going to be a lot lower, guys, right? It's going to be a lot lower, and you're seeing the daily MACD start to print some bearish candles. Maybe into the golden cross, we start to come down below 100k, and again, we've been targeting around 92, 93k as like the worst case scenario. And lastly, what we'd like to see for our altcoins, guys, is the others to hold the daily 100 MA, hold 250 billion, break this number 3 here around 275 billion, and then break level 4 here at around 325 billion. And then all up in this range, we will be saying, right, this zone here is like a massive DCA out zone. So all in here, we sell. Okay, so right now, let's see how it goes over the next coming days into the golden cross. What month are we going to top in? How high are we going to go on the confirmation of the golden cross? You guys let me know your thoughts in the comments. And again, let me know what altcoins you want me to cover in the next video. If you made it this far, click that like button, subscribe to the channel. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Peace.